Is the laundry space in your rental really tiny? Me too. In this video, I'm going to show you how we maximized space and minimized our budget and made our laundry space work for us. Hey there, my name's Jessie, and today I'm going to be walking you through the process that I went through to clear out and organize my tiny laundry room. Let's jump in. We originally had this big, bulky dresser left behind in the space from the previous tenants. This could have worked out okay, but it took up all the available space in the room and it didn't have any shelves inside, so it wasn't very practical. And it also didn't shut properly, so that was really annoying. So this is my starting point. We needed room for our cat's litter box, so we moved out the dresser and in an old trolley that we used to have from Ikea. This was okay, but it really wasn't big enough and we just had to stack everything on top and the room got messy, as you can see. So I completely cleared out the space to give myself a blank canvas. I wanted to stick to my spend as little as possible budget, and I needed to keep it renter friendly. For us, renter friendly means no holes in the walls and no painting. For storage, I eventually went with these. They are from Bunnings and they're adjustable shelves and they were only $39. They were so simple to put together. My only downfall was not having a rubber mallet, but I worked it out with a normal mallet and a sock. More on that later. I started by building the top and bottom shelf. I put the top one as high as I could, and then I put the bottom one the right amount of space for the litter box to fit in. I left the middle shelves out so that I could take it into the laundry and figure out exactly what sizes I need. All that was left was getting the supervisor's approval. What do you think, Frost? Yeah? Is it good? You like it? I moved the unit into the laundry to make it easier to space out the other shelves based on the different items that needed to go in there. So, the hammer sock works, protected the hammer and protect the shelves. Just don't use a sock that you would like to keep because it won't survive. Okay, next I ordered an adjustable tension rod off eBay, and after an embarrassing amount of time I figured out how to set it up. And there we go. And that was literally all that I did. I did a tiny bit of styling on the shelves from things I already had around the house and I was done. We now have functional and spacious shelves, a perfect spot for Miss Annie's litter box, free space to the side for longer items, and a huge amount of hanging space. Oh, and we have a washing machine now. The only things I bought were the shelves and the tension rod, which were $39 and $14. Everything else that I used I already had around the house, so I just took bits and pieces to make it look nice, and then obviously all the laundry stuff had to go in there too. So guys, that's how I did a renter-friendly laundry makeover in a tiny space on a tiny budget. Well, that's all from me today. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Give the video a like if you liked it, and please subscribe if you want to see more from me in the future. Bye guys! Little Miss Annie has been sitting here the whole time. Yeah. What's that, Frost? Hello.